Welcome to ComMetrics.com, the web-based benchmarking software that allows you to compare your blog to other blogs. This video explains to you how you can claim your blog and start tracking it. So please just enter your username and your password. If you need help with how to register, you can watch a video just here that explains that one. I'm your host, I'm Urs Gadeker. And now, without much further ado, let us just dive into the subject. So, once you have registered for the first time or the second time, the summary page you get looks like this. There's no information on it really, because you haven't claimed your blog yet. So you want to enter your blog here. What's very important is the category. Category assumes that 67% or more of all the postings will belong into this category, for instance business and finance, or religion, or food and drink, etc. Okay, so please be very accurate about this, because it will allow us to compare apples with apples. So we don't want your blog that deals with the food and drink issues primarily compare to one that addresses political commentary. That would make no sense. Also give us the country the blog is located in, right, or a short description here, which you probably find on your RSS. The owner is the copyright owner, of course, and the URL. You can click on all these and get more information by going to these hyperlinked things. There's also information up here, but we've just about told you what you have to watch out for. So we did it here for you, and then you just say claim blog. Now if you do that, a few things can happen. One is you have reached the maximum of your blogs, and there aren't any more you can claim. If you are a freemium subscriber or a Basecamp subscriber, you have one blog which you can claim as your own. If you need more, then you have to go to the other options, to the business option or the premium option. What can also happen is that under the domain there are already several blogs registered. And so the system comes back and asks you to sort of make sure, hey, is this another blog under the same domain? Or could it be that one of those blogs which we already have in the database are the ones you wanted to register? Then just go back and enter the data of these ones. Okay. Now, what also can happen is that somebody else has already claimed this blog. Okay. Now, if this all happens in error, no problem. Just click on contact up here, and you can contact us using the phone, email, or the contact form, and we'll get back of you. We love to hear from you, and of course, we'll gladly help you get rid of this little hurdle to start benchmarking. Now, if you then have claimed the blog, or if you have said let's claim it, which means you claim here, what then will happen is you get a code. And this code is quite important. You should take this code and log in as an administrator with your blog. Then go into the HTML part and copy this code right into there. What then shows is if you save it, it shows in your administrator screen. It shows like this. It's on, and on your blog it shows like this. Advantageous is to put that code into the last post you made, or the latest post you made on your blog, so our crawler can find it very quickly. If you then type activate, right? Here you type activate blog, right? Then what happens is it comes back and says your blog is activated. You can then click on details, and you're over here and you can see we got the details. It takes about 48 hours to start collecting all the data. So this is why below here it's still empty, so be patient. In conclusion, welcome to our benchmarking software. You have now successfully claimed your blog, and now it's time to go to the next step, which is quite similar to claiming your own blog, and start entering information regarding the tracing of blogs. We'll probably have a tape up for this video soon as well. Thanks very much and have a nice day.